Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Hope you all are doing well. I welcome you to my channel Creative World by abial. If you want to start a freelancing and you don't have any skills, then this video is for you. Also, if you find Excel difficult to use and you don't understand how to perform different type of analysis in it and how to apply different functions and formulas in Excel, then this video is for you. So today we are going to start a new lecture series on Microsoft Excel. We will start from the basics of Excel and will take you to the advanced levels where we will automate dashboards and I will explain all kinds of features of Excel and all the advanced formulas as well, which will ease your day-to-day reporting and analysis. So before starting this video, I will request all of you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of all my new videos. And if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well. So let's start our today's first lecture, which is introduction to the Excel. So let me first introduce what is an Excel. So Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft, which works on different operating systems like Windows, Mac operating system, iOS, Androids, etc. So what Excel actually does is Excel is basically a huge application which have various types of options and functions. In this, we can create different types of functions, formulas, pivot tables, pivot charts, and different types of other graphic representations of data are also available, and you can perform advanced data analysis in it because it provides lots of data analysis tools. So in this video, we will only cover basics about Excel. We will see what are its main elements which you are seeing on your screens. First of all, we will see this first ribbon that you are seeing is called Quick Access Toolbar. In this, you have the option to save your Excel file, and here you see this arrow. This is for undo, and you can also do this by pressing Control Z, Control and simultaneously you will press Z. So you can, if you have done some task and you want to undo that, then you can press Control Z, or you can press this button over here. And with this, you also get a button for redo. If you have you want to again you again want to do the same thing that you have done earlier, then you can press Control Y as well, or you can press this button. So and with this you can see this arrow. With this you can you customize your access toolbar by adding new features in it, and I will explain all these in later videos. So we will move to the next. And in here we can see different types of buttons, and this ribbon is called tabs. These tabs have various types of functions and commands that you can use in your data analysis. So we will go through each and everything, but in this video we will only see the home tab and file tabs. So and then we will move towards the next, and here we have name box. Here if you click on any cell, then you can get its name over here. Here I have selected this cell. Its name is written over here. It's in the column C, and in its row number is 5. So you can see that this name of this cell is written over here in this name box. So it's very easier for you to navigate that where your cursor is. And on the right of it, you can see this bar. It is called formula bar. Whatever you write in any cell, you can see this over here. Here, if I will write creative, you can see that it is also typed over here as well. Likewise, if you select any other cell, you can type anything, any formula you can see that it will appear over there as well. So this is the formula bar where you can see, what's in that cell. You can edit right in this cell as well, or you can edit here as well. What's the difference between editing here and here? For editing any word or any cell here, you will have to double click over here, and then you can continue typing, and you will see, you would be able to edit that word. But if you single click over here and start typing anything, it will disappear your previous text. So if you want to edit in one go, then you can go to the formula bar and edit over here. So in with one single click, you can edit here. But if you want to edit in the cell, in the right here, so you have to double click the cell and then navigate to the position that where you want to edit add the new data, or want to delete any previous data. You have to double press here in the cell. So this was the difference that I want to explain to you. And the next concept that I want to give you guys is the concept of column and rows. So here these horizontal lines, or horizontally there are these cells are called, these are rows, and vertically there are columns available. So Excel, where in Excel, where these where any cell or any column or row intersect each other will make a cell. So this is a cell. Everywhere where you click is a cell, and it has a unique name which is written over here. And here this F column and this row 5 intersect will make F5. So this is the very basic concept that that a cell is where a row and a column intersect, is a cell. So the next concept that we are going to discuss is, in every workbook you will get lots of sheets, and by default it has only one sheet. Like here you are seeing, you can see that sheet number 1 is there. You can add multiple sheets by clicking this plus sign, and you can rename these sheets according to your need and desire. Like I can name it as task 1, and sorry, mistake, task 1, and I can double click the next sheet and I can write task 2, and like this I can edit this as well as task 3. So you like this you can add multiple or any number of sheets that you want in your Excel according to your needs. And one thing more that you can do with here is you have plenty of options to to hide any sheet like this. I have selected sheet 1, task sheet 1, and I have selected hide. Then it is now hidden. So if I again want to unhide that sheet, then I will click on unhide, and I will unhide task sheet 1. So I will click on OK, and task sheet 1 is again here with us. So like this you can hide or unhide any sheet that you want to display, or you don't want to display. Another feature that is very important and makes your reporting and analysis presentable is the tab color, which you can assign any color to your sheet. So like I have assigned blue color to task sheet 1, and orange color to the task sheet 2, and likewise I can assign any other color to the task sheet 3 as well. So these are some common things which will make your reporting very presentable. And the next feature is protect sheet. By this feature you can protect your sheet with any key or any password that you want, and you can restrict the users to don't edit these sheets. Only those people can edit who have the key that you have shared with them. And view code through if you're using Visual Basic and you're working on macros, then you can check the code by this command. A move or copy command is also very important, and if you want to move or copy any sheet to any position within this workbook or outside any workbook or any new workbook, then you can do this through this command. In this command to book, you can select a new book or in the same that you have opened. Book one is the same as I'm in which I'm working, and new book is completely a new book will be created if I will click on it. Okay. It will ask another thing that if you want to create a copy or you want to actually move this and yeah, like a cut a command, that it will be removed from here and will be moved to the new position in the new sheet. So I want to create a copy, then I will click on OK. Then you can see sheet 1 is also copied over here in the book sheet in the workbook 2. So I don't need this. I will close it and I will don't save it. Then the next feature you can use is delete through the rename command. You can rename this sheet, and through delete command you can delete this sheet, or multiple sheets you can select and then delete them, or insert a new sheet. You have this command here too. So the next thing that I will explain is these are scroll bars, vertical and horizontal too. Through this you can scroll or navigate to your data. And at the very end bottom you can see these layouts. The one which we are working on is the normal layout, in which grid lines are visible and all these things, and it is as an it has huge space over here where you can put your data and perform different types of analysis. And in next view, that is a layout. This is a page layout in which you can see page by page sheets where you can type any data, and it is very helpful when you have to print out the data. So in the next layout you have it is called page break layout, where only the data portion is visible and rest of the cells will be invisible, and the grid lines will also be removed. And at the right side, you have the option to zoom in and zoom out. You can set it according to your needs as you want to. You can adjust from here. You can zoom in and zoom out based on your requirement. So this is what the basics of Excel is. In the next coming lectures, we will work on different data sets, and we will explain all these features with you. So till then, Allah Hafiz, and watch and keep watching our videos and keep supporting us by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification of all my new videos. And if you find this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up as well, and share it with your friends and family if you find this video helpful. And if you have any questions or any queries, you can just write to us in the comments. We will be very happy to answer your queries. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.